Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off notifications from your iPhone when it is locked, how to stop your iPhone from showing notifications when it is locked. So open settings and open notifications. After opening notifications, open the second function which says show previews. The second function which says show previews. And after opening the second function which says show previews, turn it on never, so it won't show any notifications when your home screen is locked, when your phone is locked. So you won't be able to see notifications and no one will be able to read your notifications when your phone is locked. So there you're safe, no one will be able to read your notifications, which is a good feature. So you have to unlock your phone to see notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.